Thanks to its expert engineers and innovation-oriented work, Kontrolmatik is able to cover customers' needs and realize the projects in their sectors by using its own in-house resources. Kontrolmatik is executing complete electrical-mechanical design, application, supply, installation and test, and commissioning of 380 and 154 kV gas-insulated transformer stations. Projects are delivered with the highest level of customer satisfaction. The works of 5 lines 154 kV feeder, 4 lines 154 kV, 33 kV 100 MV transformer feeder, installation and commissioning of coupling feeder consists of 2 bus bars. On the 33 kV transformer side, 4 transformer feeders, 36 outgoing feeders, and 4 coupling feeders of Bursa Salimiyai and GIS facility have been completed by Kontrolmatik in accordance with international and Turkey high-voltage transmission system standards. In addition to the turnkey scope, protection relays, bay control units, and infrastructure of IEC 61850 are created and required configurations are controlled and managed. 154 kV and 33 kV bay control unit function tests, 154 kV GIS high voltage test, and earth resistant tests are carried out with the world standard and high quality test equipments that are in Kontrolmatik's own inventory. The working systems are delivered to the customers after commissioning and training. Your ideal solution partner that offers surplus value to all projects. Kontrolmatik.